Salam everyone, thank you for leaving feedback on the videos. One of you said that you feel these lessons are too slow and we're covering too little, and there is a lot of time in the middle where it's more like pauses and people are thinking. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want you to actually interact with the lesson and don't just listen to it passively like a lecture, but actually actively participate. And when my students are pausing and thinking and figuring out what something means, I want you to be doing that, because when you train your brain to break down words, to recognize words, to see what you understand, and to figure out the meaning by yourself, that is actually the important process that you need to go through, and that is what's going to help you understand the Quran, because we don't want to be memorizing things. That's what takes longer. But here we are practicing, and practice is how you will understand the Quran. So keep watching and keep actively participating. Don't just listen to these lectures while you're in the car or doing the dishes or something. Sit down, look at the verses, and figure out the meaning yourself. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, a long one. Okay, innahu.
It's not hard though.
Okay. Innahu, indeed he or it, kana is fariqun.
Was.
Fariqun.
Kana it was. So
Was, okay.
kun, like be, and then kana is the past form.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So indeed he or it is, oh, so it was. Fariqun, fariq. Min, something from ibadi. Wait, fariq. Is it like meaning poor?
No. So let's.
Faqir, no, I'm thinking about faqir.
You're
No.
thinking about fuqara or faqir.
Yeah,
So
faqir.
is from firqa. Firqa or.
Is it like, I'm just guessing out of the context. So they were kind of like they or he did not, was not, how do you say it? Like was absent from my ibadah.
So
No.
firqa is groups. Fariq is also group, and you can also kind of think of it from faraq. Farq means to distinguish or to differentiate, right? Fariq, as in people who contribute or divide.
Wrong.
Sorry?
I said it's often used in terms of people who distinguish between right and wrong.
Yes.
Mm.
And furqan is like one of the words used for the Quran, which is like the thing which is used to distinguish between right and wrong and truth and falsehood. So it's all kind of linked. So fariqum min ibadi, they were a group from amongst my servants.
This, okay, tamam. Yaquluna, so they said, so those people from that group, like those who were the slaves of Allah, said, Rabbana, our Lord, amanna, we believe, faghfir lana, forgive to us, like forgive us, warhamna, and have mercy upon us, wa anta, inti, anta khairur rahimin, and you are the khairur rahimin. Khair is good, like the best of those who shows rahmah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Good. See, told you it wasn't super hard.
Yeah, I was like, okay, she's right. Like,
Yeah, it's just the dua which most people know anyway. So
yeah.
your turn, Hiba.
فاتخذتموهم سخريا حتى أنسوكم ذكري وكنتم منهم تضحكون. فاتخذتموهم from تأخذ to take, and so so it took them. So you took them.
Yeah, exactly. فاتخذتم would be you took. فاتخذتم you took them.
سخريا سخرية
I don't think we've done this. It's like so sihr is like mocking.
Okay.
Is what?
Like mocking. So you took them as a joke
Ah,
to make fun of them.
sihr.
حتى is until أنسوكم from نسيا to forget.
Right?
So until like you plural forgot ذكري like dhikr, so to remember. وكنتم and you were منهم from تضحكون ضحك is to laugh, and so you were from those who used to laugh.
Yeah. وكنتم منهم, and also like minhum is at them. From them. تضحكون, you used to laugh at them.
I thought it was like and you were from those who used to laugh. Like min, like from.
That might be minkum, like that might be said as minkum.
Okay.
And that would be mudhakun, like you were of the laughers. Like remember how the meme made it into
People. Yeah. Okay.
okay. Good job. Yeah, so like you used to take them as a mockery until that made you forget my remembrance. So they were so busy laughing at them and they didn't think about themselves and their actions. So that's what God is replying.
إني جزيتهم اليوم بما. Okay. Indeed, I or indeed I جزيتهم جزاء. Jaza in Turkish is punishment.
Okay. Here it just means jaza in the Quran. It could mean punishment as well, but also reward. So it's just basically payment due.
Okay.
Reward. So inni jazaytuhum.
Oh,
Here is talking about reward.
okay, so indeed I rewarded them اليوم بما صبروا. The day
Al-yawm. Remember
of
today.
a day.
Today. Al-yawm was today.
Today? Okay. Okay, today. Today. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so indeed I rewarded them today with what? Sabaru, with what they had patience with.
So yeah, because for what? For their patience.
For their patience, okay. أنهم, indeed they الفائرون. Wait, فائزون. فائزون.
فوز عظيم.
فوز عظيم. Is this something like bounty or something?
That would be but fawz is success.
But is that falah is also success?
Yeah, falah is success, fawz is winning. So they're quite linked, but
okay.
so
Fawzeen. Oh, okay.
the winner like of a competition, faiz. So that name literally means winner. So
they are the winner.
Indeed they are the winners. So like the double they add more emphasis.
Subhanallah.
Okay, and then Berivan, I'm sorry, Heba.
قال كم لبثتم في الأرض عدد السنين. قال he said كم, how much, how many. لبثتم في الأرض, so something on this land. عدد is like counting and سنين is years. So he asked how many years have you spent on this earth?
So
What exactly
is to remain somewhere or to.
Oh, I think we did this to stay somewhere for amount of time. Yeah, I think we did this earlier. Okay.
So how long did you stay on Earth? in number of years. Then قالوا لبثنا.
But I didn't get what was the labith to mean?
Staying.
Staying.
Yeah, staying, remaining, living, etc. So كم
Okay.
how much did you reside في الأرض on earth عدد سنين in terms of number of years.
Okay.
Okay.
Tamam.
So that was lesson 22. I hope you found that useful. As always, if you have any comments or feedback or questions, please do post in the comments and I will try and reply to as many as I can. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.